Yeah, got another 5.3. Trying to figure out why I couldn't spin the engine over. I only could spin it halfway. So I pull the heads, and all this is rusted. Look at that. And then in this cylinder here, what the fuck is this? Hold on, let me move this. Look at this. Nice. Head gasket. Couldn't get the torque converter off, so I can get it on the engine stand. Check out this side. Disc pistons. 5.3. Look at all that water. This one broke right there. Broke right here. At least it ain't bad as the other side. So I can only rotate it halfway. Whew. I got 2 of the 3 torque converter bolts out. I'm trying to spin it so I can get this one out. Heads. Shitty as hell. Let's see, get a closer look on these. Oh shit, man. Can't believe it. I only spent a couple of hundred, not even a couple of hundred, about $100 for this motor. Push come to shove, I can at least get my money back in parts. Tell me what you think.